kung ano yung promise na ibinibigay ng ball game na to.
Nice anticipation there from Vergara. Coming up with that steal and the basket steal. Quines once again. He pulls up. Gets it to go and Gillian Quines alam under. It was San Juan that came up with the victory. Franco gets the roll.
And defense turning into offense para dito sa panig ng time.
Speaking of a hard time, naagawan muli si Progoso and another bucket from Sean Franco. Progoso really Gillian Quines. Go to the corner, wide open for three. Gets that three-pointer to go.
Score.
And coming up with a steal is Vergara doing it on both ends of the floor. Mendoza! I thought he would dunk it, pero pwede na rin. Axel Mendoza, of course, from their 16 under pro and 43 left. In the quarter, take another look, making sure walang defense.
Para sa mas mahasa pa ang mga bata para sa mga susunod nilang laro. Samantalang on the opposite team, patuloy ang depensa at
Started dito sa ating game. Yung amuyan ng players.
Oo.
Oh, talagang very evident. Sean Howe earlier. Quines, nice drop pass, but unable to finish underneath. Para dito kay Natividad. On the other side, binitin pa. Great finish there from Chris John Day.
A two-pointer for San Juan turns to be a two-point basket naman para sa Rizal. That's how quick this game is. And Gillian Quines that time, sabi niya, enough.
Stagorda in the ball game now. Takes it out. Three-pointer. That will work para kay John Ray Ladica. And alam mo naman
Ayun, parang staple na yung mga 3-and-D type of players.
Natividad, second opportunity plus the foul. Dito ng Rizal. Take another look at that pound-for-pound fitness foul. Counter play. Pound for pound, the official pin.
Huwag mong expect na papasok. Be ready for that.
5 shirts on the other end with a 5-on-2. No look. To the other side. Ayaw para kay Ladica. Baseline jumper. That will work. Converted by Aaron Manansala.
Take a look at this jump shot from that short corner.
San Juan. Lumaking again. Off the glass. Great finish coming from Seb Peralta.
That was
10 minutes. Look at some highlights from that game. Pinakbuhan nga maaga nitong Rizal using that fast break attack. Punishing the defense of San Juan. Putting pressure on the backcourt. But Gillian Quines making hands it off. Sagbayani. Corner 3 once again. That time will go para kay Podador. Finally. Different team nga lang. No? We're not used to him wearing red. Former player of the Pampanga Junior Giant Lanterns. And the former player of Bawa naman, Gillian Quines with another smooth. Gonzalez, high up for that board. Ito nga, si Michael Gonzalez, ang former Junior Giant Lantern. Outside specialist. As Quines able to find Torres for that finish in 3. Take another look. Quines with that smooth jumper. Sama mo na rin ng isa pang assist, finding Torres. Jaime Mendera, kasama pa rin si Coach Melo Navarro. Alongside Nicole Lim, atid sa inyong aksyon as Ladica hits on that three-pointer.
Rizal back in the first quarter, yung kanilang running game. They need to force stops and they need to activate their transition offense. Pero mahihirapan sila.
Missing on the free throws though is Ladica as Matias, strong to the hoop. Lays it in.
I like that move.
Para kay Sean. Baluyot gets it to Ladica. Straight away. Gets that 3 to go. Baluyot. Napakasimple ng jump shot na yun. Pinitik lang pa. Baluyot against 2 defenders. Fades away off the window.
Alaki. Dahil pati defense talagang tumatrabaho.
Long bomb. There you go. Sean Howe. Officially a 3-pointer. Long tala. They will try once again. Mas lakas naman. Ladica another offensive rebound and a putback.
Ladica is just all over the place.
Aurita. Ahead to Manansala. Ooh, look at that high finger roll or pasa pala kay Ladica. Able to get the finish. 10 now in the first half.
That was the 2-pointer on the left side of the floor. And this one, officially, the first 3-pointer of the game.
Alam na nga ng kanyang mga kampe, but trying to cross up. Kung si Baluyot, stolen. Ladica once again. Takes it all the way.
He is such a workhorse on the other end.
Aurita steal ahead to Ladica. Fake ball fake. Gets the finish once again. 6 straight points para kay Ladica. That advantage para sa Rizal. Corner 3, that won't go. Tapigan. San Juan able to recover. Aangat si Oses, short. Another opportunity. Torres. That time around, able to convert plus the foul.
Tawag natin, nakuha sa tiyaga. Itong si Torres just being at the right place at the right time.
He will pull up. 3 rattles out. San Juan will run it. Ahead is Quines. But Podador takes it all the way, plus the foul. Another end one para sa makabagong San Juan.
In the break, and this time around, ito ang si Podador scoring that and one opportunity for his team.
Let's see if he'll be able to finish on this 3-point play. Day, inside to Franco. Finger roll.
That was a beautiful play run there by Rizal.
Ball is deflected. Oses with a steal. They have a 2-on-1. Quines, lista mo na yan.
Using the body to protect that basketball, Gillian Quines.
Team under division.
Oo, you would expect na itong mga players dito, no, mas experience na. Kumbaga, boss na yung likot eh. Pero ito, 3-pointer and he's really enjoying.
42-40. It's now a 2-point advantage. Make that 4-point advantage. Season 1 of our junior MPBL. Malalim talaga itong San Juan squad. From the corner, Baluyot once again. Hindi ko naman sa'yo, Coach Melo. Baka Podador, siya na rin magbababa. Cross court, Quines wide open. Gets that 3 to go. Gillian Quines, now with 16.
Gillian Quines.
To the baseline, Baluyot. Ano naman yung nagtindatan.
As we take a look at this pass underneath, Baluyot with that difficult turnaround shot.
Goes to Progoso. Escapes the defense of Tagorda and finishes with the left. And ito na nga. Hindi naman tayo pinapaya when
Being a shooter on your strong side, hindi makahelp yung depensa, kaya naman dire-diretso itong si Progoso for that left hand.
trying to get it to a rolling Natividad. They lose the basketball. Tagorda with a 3-on-1. Able to get it to Manansala for the finish. Bumaking now. Nice to see him back. Had an injury scare in that first half. Fragoso missing on that layup but able to follow was Natividad.
And Fragoso, ito yung sinasabi natin ngayon. Start them young.
Tagorda stepping through. Gets the floater up and in. We're able to force some turnovers in that first half, but this time broken easily by San Juan and converting on the other end after that Peralta baseline J. Really being that second scorer para sa makabagong San Juan. And Baluyot continuing to hit from outside. Quines, of course, still the smooth. Lose the basketball. Takbo dito ang Rizal. Baluyot gets it to Day. Easy lay.
Great defense mula dito sa Rizal. Once again, clogging that paint.
16 under division. Nice trap there as Baluyot gives us a first slam sa ating season 2 of the
package. Can able to shoot threes. Can defend. Sagot naman niya ng tres.
Turnover. D recovers. Only Sharma to beat. Look at that Pinoy step.
Yan yung mga paborito ni Coach Mark Dandan eh.
And take another look at this Baluyot slam. Stretching up and high.
Sinilip pa yung ring eh, no? Tiningnan eh. What a...
Pulls it back. Podador for 3. Gets it to go! Podador with a very important basket. Point lead para sa San Juan. Oses comes up with a steal. Looking ahead, finds Progoso. Gets the layup to go. 5-0 run para 69-64. Take a look at these baskets para sa makabagong San Juan. That 3-pointer from Podador and this layup from Progoso. All.
Denver Baluyot, who is one of the player of the game. One of the player leading the Rizal switch fiber as he has 23 points.
Off to the right. Progoso again with that long rebound, has a 2-on-1. Takes it all the way up and in.
Good decision mula dito kay Fragoso, Franco.
This is Progoso, wide open. Makes them pay.
That is big. para dito kay Frugoso. He was taken out.
In this case, it is still 11, just 11 I mean. But time not on the side of Rizal, but Manansala with the answer. Trims this lead down to 8. And Coach Britt. This Peralta goes to the corner. Three-pointer. Podador, another.
That could be a big shot.
Babawi nga. This is Sean Franco with an answer. Franco, ball deflected. He recovers. Franco, sidestep. Gets the foul and the bucket.
And what did it? As we take a look at this one more time, sidestep from the big guy who is really playing.
Yeah. Peralta giving up that foul. And inside, Peralta. Nice pass to Sharma for a slam. And could be the exclamation point para dito sa San Juan. Di naman namang hindi makapangiti. Ram Sharma, left-handed slam at that. Able to add 2 more to their... So no changes on that whistle. Ladica asking for that basketball. Powers his way through.
Yan ang literal inararo.
Guillermo in the ball game now for the first time para sa San Juan. Milking that clock. Floats it up. Floats it in.
A gutsy floater. What a game that we saw here. Nothing to be ashamed of, your Rizal. They showed a lot of glimpse of greatness in this game. It's just a matter of being able to close out ball games.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to